everyone. Welcome to Me Belly Dance Online. This week, we'll be working on the figure eights and turns. At the end of the session, we will combine the Umi's combination from last week to this week's combination. And after that, we will do some practice together. Let's start.
Basically what we're doing is basically the horizontal figure eight. Imagine yourself in a rectangular box, this way. Four corners of the box. What you do is you twist at the center, you slide to one corner of the box, you push your hip to the back, to the other corner, and then you directly push this hip to the other corner on the top left. And bring it to the back, and to the front, and to the back, to the front, and to the back. While you're doing this, maintain your posture and have a relaxed knee. So this is what a basic horizontal figure eight looks like. But what I'm going to do is basically, instead of going front and back, I'm going to the back and front. So I'm going to twist to the back, bring it to the front, twist to the back, bring it to the front, twist it to the back, bring it to the front, twist it to the back, bring it to the front. So this is how it looks like. You should notice that the loop on my right and my left is of the same size, so that it has a balanced figure eight. Alright? But what we're going to do today is slightly different. What we're going to do is, when you're focusing on your right hip, what we're going to do is, we're basically going to push more on the right. Basically, there will be a bigger loop on the right and smaller loop on the left. So this is how it looks like. So you push a bigger loop on the right side, and on the left, you do a small tiny loop. A bigger loop on the right, and on the left, a small loop. Big on the right, small on the left. 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 Now let's do it on the other side. Same thing now. Left will be the bigger one, right will be the smaller loop. Bigger loop on the left, smaller loop on the right. Bigger loop on the left, smaller loop on the right. Bigger loop on the left, smaller loop on the right. Bigger loop on the left, smaller loop on the right. Now, when you put this figure eight in an angle position, facing this way, so that your bigger loop on the right will be more obvious to the audience, and the smaller loop will be sort of like hidden. Okay? So what you're going to do is now putting this leg behind you, not on your side. Okay? Because you're at the diagonal. On the side it looks like this. Like you're twisting a little bit to your back. Okay? What you're going to do, relax the knee. One leg is on a high heel. You may put 3-inch high heel so that it looks nicer. I like to put my weight on my big toe so that it looks, so that my legs and my lines look longer and nicer. Okay? So let's try on the hip. Bigger on the right, small on the left. So you push it to the back and you scoop it in, small on the left. Bigger on the right, smaller 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 on the left. When you're doing this, you notice that because I'm on a high heel, on the right side, the loop is like going up and down, and up and down, and up and down. It's a movement that I really like because it looks nice. You sort of like sitting to your left, and then coming up on the right, sitting on the left, and up on the right, sitting on the left, right, and left, right. Good job. Let's try it on the left side. So, take out your high heels on the left now. So, relax on the right and the left leg as well, and I'm going to push on the left, bigger loops, and sitting down on the right, pushing it up on the left, sitting it down on the right, and just move on. So, what actually happens with the leg? You are drawing something like a question mark. So basically you bring it in, and then you draw a question mark, and then you bring it to the back. And then you turn the knee, you bring it back in, you draw a question mark, and you bring it back. When you bring it back, you notice that the knee is actually facing out. So you turn in again, bring it in, draw a question mark, and to the back. Bring it in, draw a question mark, and bring it back. Bring it in, draw a question mark, and bring it back. You're looking at the side. Okay. Bring it in and out. Turn. 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 I'll be putting on my leg on the right when I'm turning here. Now the other side. From here. So you turn the knee in. Everything with the ankle. Bring it in. Draw a question mark and to the back. You'll notice the knee and the ankle is facing slightly out, and then you turn it in again. Bring it in, draw and out. In, draw and out. Doesn't it look like a question mark? Okay, now let's put the legs and the hip together. At this position, you're going to push, and then you're going to turn the knee and the hip in. So this one is going to do a small loop, or this bring it in, and you're going to draw the question mark. As you are drawing, your hip is moving as well with a small loop. And then bring it back again, and bring it in. And bring it back with a big loop. So turning the hip is turning with the knee, and bring it back and scoop it in, back and scoop it in. As you're doing the small with your legs and drawing the question mark. So it's like a dot here and then you turn. You draw and a dot here and you turn. You draw and a dot here and you turn. So now let's draw it on the left. Ready? So you're going to push it out, turn the knee in. As you are going front with the legs, your hip on the right is going to go smaller. And back. Smaller. And back. And smaller. And back. You notice when I'm sitting down here, as I'm doing the legs, and up. And up. And up. And up, and up. Alright, so now we have the hip and the legs ready. We're going to start to do the combinations. So this figure 8, we're going to do in 4 counts and end it with a kick. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, the 4 will be a kick. Okay, let me change. Left side, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is a kick. Alright, so how it looks like from here. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Right, now change to the left. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Step. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Step. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Step. So we are ready to put our arms in together with that combination. It's super easy. We basically just open up the arms, and as we kick, zoom, we bring it down. The same side on the left, we bring it up. As we kick, zoom, push it down. Let's put it together on the right side first. 2, 3, 4. And change. 1, 2, 3, 4. And change. Alright, we are almost at the end. We only left the turns. Okay, so basically this turn is super easy as well. You basically, after your kick, for example on your right leg, after your kick, you basically just cross and turn your body facing the audience one more time in 2 counts. So this is 5, 6. And then you're going to turn, use your body momentum to unwind. And shift the weight to the leg that is crossing. Alright? So it will look like this with your figure 8. And the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice that line. Body shift to the front. And 7, 8. You unwind. Shift your weight to the leg that is crossing. Now we do on the left. 1, 2, 3. Kick. Cross on the left leg and unwind. Weight on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you remember the movie, alright? Now we're going to put that together. Are you ready? Let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! We have completed the combination for this week. I hope that you will put this to your practice. We have one more part to go. I hope to see you next week again. Bye-bye.
Do practice this combination as often as you can to get the smooth, fluid movements you want. The best is you can do this anytime you want at the comfort of your home. You may do it with me by replaying this part of the video as often as you can, or memorize the steps and do it on your own. Happy practicing! Do join me next week for our final set of combination in the Umi's 8s layered with twist drills. Ta-ta! If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you soon!